My name's Dilling and I went to Mohawk High School. For me, high school just, it wasn't it for me. I didn't find what I wanted out of it. I found motorcycles to be a passion in my life, so I love them, I love working on them, I wanted to know more. I saw Newcastle School of Trades had a program for it, and I jumped in it as fast as I could. I see a better future every day beating, because I know I'm learning more. You're not sitting in a classroom 12, 15 hours a week just staring at a screen. A lot of this is all hands-on. Learning how to take something apart, put it back together instead of a book, which I love. If you come in here and you don't learn anything, you wasted a day. That's my opinion. Before I found NCST, I felt like there was something missing. I was lost, I was confused, I didn't know where I was going, what I was doing. And then I came here and I was here for a couple months and I just knew I was right. It takes you to where you're from and points you in a better future. You never know until you try.